Hello, and welcome to a brand new video. Now, I did say that this is not going to become an unboxing channel or a fashion channel, but guess what? For this few months, well, actually, this is going to be the last one, but today, we'll be looking at the Childish hoodie, the newest one that dropped, the purple. I don't even know what the name of it is called, to be honest with you. But it's the one that comes with the RC car, and you'll see. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here we go. So obviously, as you guys can see, got a whole new camera setup. Yes, got the Logitech working. Got the audio fixed now, and got a camera. Well, I had this camera, but I have a camera to show you, hopefully, the hoodie instead of using this. But you know, we'll just continue. I'll one day show you the setup. Let's get the box. Now, if you guys see the background, I do apologize. Listen, I'm 19, so my room's gonna be messy. Oh, okay. Well, luckily you guys can't see everything, so let's remove the address, because listen, I love all you guys, but come on, I can't be showing you the address now. Gracie. And in honor of showing the Childish hoodie, I bought, or I have the one that I ordered last year. The issue with this one was, this is my first Childish hoodie that I got, and so I didn't know what size to get. I'm usually a medium, which is what I have here now. Luckily, I ordered a small, and the reason why I ordered a small last year was because they said it was gonna be oversized. So I was like, okay, I'm usually a medium. I'm gonna go small. Yeah, I mean, it fits decent. It's just, you know, obviously that. And then when I reach down to get something, like yeah, you know what I mean. So hopefully, let me make sure I cover the address part. Okay, that's all you guys. Is that everything actually? So I ordered the hoodie, medium size. I'm 5'7". Here on this channel we round up, so I'm 6 foot. That goes for everywhere. Anything on this channel we round up. Anything. My hog down there, it's about 5 inches. But on this channel we round up, so it's 10. But I ordered a medium Childish RC car hoodie. That's the full name of it. And then I also ordered the remote control car. So hopefully in this box, can you guys even see that? Kind of. I'm sorry. This camera, I'm sorry. But yes, the RC car I ordered as well. It comes with no batteries. Listen, TGF, you guys are slacking over here. But yes, if you guys can see, maybe you guys can see on that. Don't know if you can. No, you can't. Okay, well, I don't know. Maybe you guys can see. Okay, probably not. Okay, well, whatever. It says everything I read. All right. Enough Enough chit chat. Let's get to the unboxing bit. So I will be showing everything on both cameras, so don't feel left out. Now, this drop was on December 6th, I believe, and it is currently December 27th. So their aim was to, what's it called, to ship it out or to have it received by Christmas. Some people got it. I was unfortunately not one of those, and I did not get mine on Christmas. I got this one last year on Christmas, or before Christmas, so that's cool. But hey, in these times, it's alright, you know. In these times, anything, as long as I can receive my package, I'm happy. So here we go, boys and girls. Oh, that is my address. They did show my address, so hopefully, well, actually, I don't even know if you guys caught that. Hopefully not, but if you guys did, feel free to come over any day. Any day you're free to come over. Here we go. This is what I'm looking at. Let's see if I can open it like this. Listen, the other camera, I'm sorry, you're gonna get little love for right now, at least. Just for right now. Listen, I don't have a big tripod. The floor is trash right now. The floor is reserved for trash at the moment. Ooh. So the black box is the RC car. Is what I'm assuming. So let's see. Oh my god, this is such a Ooh, look at that. Look at this. So we'll take a look at the RC car first. Just a rough, just a little show. So there we go. We open the box. Oh, yes. Now look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna hold that like that. Boom. Oh, gosh dang it. Boom. Oh, that looks nice. So here we have, I'm assuming, some instructions. I didn't look at it perfectly. Right. How to control. Yeah, I already know how to work an RC car. Install the batteries. Body mounting. I don't know what all this other stuff is, but safety precautions. Okay. What was this right here? Oh, gears. You put gears on? Oh no, they didn't. Wait, what? Okay, well this is all the instructions, pretty much all the buttons, what the buttons do. So we have here, as you guys can see on this camera, we have the controller and then the actual car. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that car right there. Try not to touch it with my hands as much as I can, but here we go. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. Let's put that back where it belongs. I think I put it on wrong, but listen. We move. This is, what is this? Oh, it's just, okay, well, whatever. Alright. The car has got enough love, so we move on to the actual big purchase. The one that nearly, in the back, nearly gave me a headache. So, here we go. Let's open it, or let's take it out. Oh, I didn't put this back in the, oh no. Hold on. So for those of you wondering, this was a one-time release, so you can no longer get it from their actual website, but you can get it from the from eBay or something like that, from any, like, you know, sellers trying to sell it. They already bought it themselves, so you probably could get it from there. But here we go. Here is the actual hoodie, the tin box, the tinting, whatever they call it. All right. Well, the bed is, everything's, the whole ground, the bed, everything's trash now. All right, let's sit down, because we need a, yes. So here it is, where the hoodie comes from. Let's unbox it, or whatever. Trash. Okay. So here we go. Can you guys see over here? Probably. Oh, you guys can. Oh, perfect. All right. So I don't want to mess up the tin box. I don't plan on selling this. This is for me to keep. Whenever I usually buy things online, especially when it comes to like clothes, I never have the intentions of selling it. So I don't plan on selling this. Look at that. Look at that. This is, I don't know what this is, but put that away, and here we go. The Childish RC car hoodie. Wow. Look at the back. Look at that. Oh, you guys can see. Oh, look, you guys can see the Logitech camera. Look at that. Now look at this. Oh, by the way, if you guys, I don't know if you guys could see these are books. If you guys, on the little camera here, these are books. It's on books and a tripod. Okay, anyways, we move on. Yeah, the little logos here, well, all that stuff. Hoodie collector's case. A production from the 90s, brought to you by Childish. Look. All right. Let's open it. Finally. Me waffling so much. All right. And here we go. I just hit my monitor. Look at that. Oh boy. Okay. So we have the Childish hoodie right here, the purple one. Now, I know that comes with stickers. Because I saw Jay open it on his channel. Here we go. Here's the stickers. I'll show you guys all the stickers. I don't plan on selling the stickers either. I want to keep them because I have a MacBook. And I kind of want to deck that boy out. Pimp my boy over there. It's actually on the bed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Why there? Why there? We have the Childish sticker here. The, yep. We have another sticker here. We have, and this, I was actually really excited for this one right here. This one, specifically. Excited for this one. We have this one right here. You guys didn't even see that. Hold on, wait, hold on. Oh, look at that, look at that. And then, finally, we have the one that will be on the hoodie. I wonder what it would look like if it had, like this one on there. Anyways, okay, enough of me waffling. Listen, on this channel, we waffle, we round up. Listen, this channel is all about madness. Okay. Okie dokie. We move on. Alright, so now we'll be showcasing the hoodie. We got the stickers out the way, we got the RC car out the way, and now it's time. Now hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Y'all see that? Let me show this camera some love over here. Look at that. Look at that. Be cool if I had a... I'm gonna buy a GoPro and just put it on my head for whenever I do unboxings. Okay, look at this. So yes, this is a size medium, and I am a 6 foot human. I'm not a 6 foot. I'm kidding. All right, we're gonna take this one off. I'm gonna try the other one. Now this one should be my size. Okay, so this one should fit me really well because I normally wear, you know, medium hoodies. You know what? You know what? I'm digging this. Look at this. Jeez, the lightning. The Childish print right here. Show you the back. I can't see what you guys are saying, so. Yeah. Cake. No, I mean, this looks pretty decent. It looks more than decent. It looks freaking beautiful. Amazing this is. So yes, if you guys did order a Childish hoodie like this, yeah, it feels very, very nice, very nice. Medium, definitely. Next time I order a Childish hoodie, definitely cog medium. I do regret buying the small ones. Well, that small one over there. But yes, nice. Everything fits nice and well. Yep. When I lean over. Yep, making sure everything is nice. Won't be doing exercise in this, but I mean, just making sure when I move around, fits well. I'm gonna make love to this later. What? Who said that? Not me. Could never be. Well, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. So, as you guys seen from the video, the hoodie looks nice. The stickers are beautiful. The RC car. I don't know when I'll be using that, but someday I'll use it. I don't know when. I kind of want to keep it as a collector's, item, just because, there's not many of these, and I just want to keep it in the box, to be honest. One thing I will say about the RC car, the hoodie's nice. The hoodie's crazy dumb. It's dummy. One thing I will say about the RC car, though, I thought it was going to be bigger. Am I hearing good? Am I hearing fine? Whatever. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. Anyways, we move on. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did like this video, always hit that like button. If not, hit the dislike button. Let me know in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe. And that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.